This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, Unit 3, Animation and Games, Lesson 20, The Game Design Process, Part 10. I want to see what our code does. Is this? Aha! Our code from our last level, right? Part 9. One of these ladybugs resets. Perfect. And I think we're going to reset the other. Let's see. Touching the cake, second ladybug. Your first enemy sprite should now be resetting. Yep. When it gets to the cake. Now you'll want the other ladybug to reset. Do this. Inside the enemy's touch cake function, you should have written code that resets anyone. Copy the entire if statement you wrote in the last level. Control C. Yep. Paste the code inside the enemy touch cake function just below the last one. Control V. Change the name of the sprite in the code from enemy 1 to enemy 2. Test your code. Alright. So I'm going to hit show text. And then I'm going to highlight all of my code just like it says. If you're on a Mac, it's not Control C, it's Command C. So I'm going to hit Control C, or you could right click it and copy. To right click on a Chromebook or a laptop, you separate your two fingers, press down at the same time. Alright, and then enemies, touch cake. Oh, do I have to define the function? Oh, nope, just kidding. Of course, it wants it all in the same function. Right click, paste, okay? And I'm gonna make that more like this. And oh, I don't need this if statement again. We already know the enemy is touching the cake. And then I'm just gonna change all these to a 2. And I'm not gonna need my score statement twice. I copied everything. I was a little bit hasty. Enemy 1, reset X, enemy, yep, reset that. Let's go back to the blocks. Let's hit run and see if it works. Perfect. Alrighty. So this is what I added. I just copied this stuff. And all I needed to copy was this and add it for enemy 2. Yep. Oh, copy the entire if statement? Oh. I am wrong here. I'm going to get rid of this. The reason we do that is because the bugs might move at a different speed later on. So, don't do what I did. You want to do it this way. Copy the whole if statement, paste the if statement, and this is because the bugs might move at a different speed later on. Got it. Enemy 2, enemy 2, enemy 2. Alright, show box. There we are. Now we have 2 if statements for each bug. Okay, great. So make sure you have those 2 if statements because I bet we're going to make the enemies move at different speeds later on. This is what worked for me. Great, let's move on.